So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba magpalit ng profile picture sa ating Spotify account. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So yan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Spotify account or yung ating Spotify app. And then, pagka-open guys, mula dito sa pinakang homepage, itap lang natin yung ating profile picture na nandito sa upper left corner. And then, after yun guys, tap natin yung ating profile name. So, dito guys, para mapalitan yung profile picture ng ating Spotify account, itap nyo lang yung edit na nandito sa may lower part ng inyong profile picture. And then, dito naman guys, is pwede nyo nang palitan yung inyong photo. So, tatap nyo lang guys yung edit button na katabi ng inyong profile picture. And then, after nyan guys, pwede kayong mamili kung saan yung gustong kunin yung inyong ipapalit na photo. So, pwedeng pumili kayo sa inyong gallery or mag-take kayo ng photo. So, tap natin is yung choose photo na lang sa aking gallery. So, allow lang natin para ma-access yung ating photo album. And then, after nyan guys, mamimili lang kayo ng profile picture. So, for example, is ito na lang. And ayan guys, pwede nyo siyang i-crop. So, i-zoom in nyo lang or i-zoom out kung gusto nyo siyang i-crop yung photo. So, ayan guys. And kapag okay na, na-crop nyo na yung photo, tap nyo yung use photo na nandito sa my lower part. And ayan guys, nakita nyo na yung preview ng ating profile picture. So, itatap lang natin yung save button na nandito sa upper right corner para ma-save na siya. And ayan guys, kung makita nyo, napalitan na ng profile picture yung aking Spotify account. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba magpalit ng profile picture sa ating Spotify app. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.